Clean, safe ceramic. 16 ounces ceramic travel mug, perfect for any caffeine lover or coffee connoisseur. Enjoy the warmth of ceramic that won't leach or smell. Perfect for the commute. Equipped with friction-fit slider lid that lets you drink directly from ceramic and convenient real wood handle for on-the-go use. Tumbler is splash-resistant, but not completely leak-proof. Easy cleaning. Lid is dishwasher safe. Hand wash tumbler is recommended. Clean, safe, green. All parts are BPA-free. Top reviews from the United States. Love the wood and metal accents. I love this coffee mug. It is so cute with its clean white and wood metal accents. I was so excited to bring this to work and show it off to all my coworkers. I've always been scared to use the ceramic to-go mugs because I don't trust myself carrying them to and from work, but when I saw this one with the handle I knew I had to have it. I do have to say that compared to the stainless steel to-go mugs, this one doesn't keep my coffee as hot for as long, but it also doesn't keep that nasty old coffee smell if you forget about it for too long. Which is amazing. The only thing I would like to be different is the lid. I thought it would have been a slide to close lid, but it's not, so definitely not leak-proof.